Alright, so this is how to drain and fill a Honda manual transmission fluid. So I'm replacing the transmission, so your car probably won't look like this, but this is where the passenger side axle will go into, and to the left is the fill plug. It's a 17 millimeter nut drain plug. It'll look like this, and you can use a pressured system or a vacuum system, but I have the air intake off and the battery out of the way. So the easiest way, I think, will be to take, I think it's a speed sensor or maybe reverse light sensor, once the transmission is in reverse. I think it's a reverse light sensor. It's a 19 millimeter plug. Has two plugs like this, male and female, that just plug right in to the harness right next to it. I think this is easier if you have a funnel like this. You can just put it right in. As you fill it, just watch the drain plug, and that will be your sign of telling you that the transmission is full enough. I think that's the easiest way, and you can actually get to it with the battery off or still in the car. I think it's probably the most accurate way. That way you don't make a mess if you don't have one of those pressured fluid transfer pumps that you get from AutoZone or a auto parts store. So I'm going to fill it with motor oil. I think that's recommended oil. I believe it's 3 quarts. And yeah, that's probably the easiest way to change your oil. Transmission oil. Manual transmission.